Welcome to Starburst. In this tutorial, I will show you how to autoplay video in HTML. This is a video I have embedded in an HTML document, and if I reload the page, it is not autoplaying. I have to click on it to play the video. So to autoplay it, go to web page source, open web page in code editor. Here use autoplay attribute in your video tag. Let's reload the page. It is still not working. That is because most browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox and Brave block autoplay with sound. So you should add muted attribute too, along with autoplay attribute. This dramatically increases the chance that autoplay will work. Let's see. Yes, and now it is working. For smoother UX, especially on mobile, you can also add plays inline and loop attributes in the video tag. But use loop in case you want the video to replay forever. So use muted attribute along with autoplay to autoplay video in HTML. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.